Hello from Slovenia again. First, I have to say sorry for the weird angle when I pour my paint into the split cup. I just don't know how I managed to do that like that. It was, I don't know, sometimes, you know, just things happen. First of all, I want to talk about the colors. I choose kind of a peacock colors, I have to say. I have Manganese blue by Amsterdam, Iridescent gold by PBO, Phthalo green by PBO, Amsterdam red violet, PBO iridescent blue green, and Amsterdam permanent blue violet. And I really like the effect that I got in one of my previous pour when I added black and white on top of all the colors, but this time it worked a little differently. I'm still trying to figure out how to layer the colors that it will create those black lines at the end of the feathers, or how can I say, because when I do a wandering straight pour with split cup, I get some kind of feathery effects. And this is of course my modular split cup that you can get on Fluid Art Co. Website. I will put link in the description. It has removable those things that you can adjust your number of chambers. You probably already know that if you watch my videos. So this time I added black and white on the top of the colors, and I didn't add the colors on top like I did in my previous pour, because I kind of thought that it will create a little more of the black and white negative space, but you will see what will be at the end. So I will let you enjoy the process and talk to you again with the dried results. So here she is dry, all shimmery because of that gold. Here is the iridescent blue-green that kind of, it's more like, I don't know, turquoisey kind of look. Sometimes when it hits blue it shifts so beautifully, but maybe I didn't put the colors into the split cup in the right order. I didn't get those black lines around the featherings. I don't know why. I did get them in one of my previous pour and I hoped for the same, but I still love this painting. So yeah, it's kind of glows. I love those feathery split cups. So I'm planning to do some just random lives this month in December. Definitely not Monday, Wednesday, Friday, because I have my regular videos, maybe Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, I don't know. I will just pop on when I will feel it and have time, and you know, sometimes you plan and then life just don't let you do that, so I will not set dates or hours. So yeah, if you will saw or get a notification, make sure that you have that you are subscribed, that you have your notifications on, and you will definitely get notification when I will go live if you want to join, which I will love you to do. So this is it for today. Thanks for being here and see you on the next one. Bye.